If you are looking for a way to add more veggies into your diet, this recipe is for you. Super simple to put together and absolutely delicious. To start to make our cabbage sauce, I'm going to add a little bit of oil into the pan and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I add in some chopped onion and I'll go in with the carrots. I will stir this together really nicely and I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water just to steam the carrots and the onions together. The carrot is very crunchy and I want it to have the same texture with other veggies. That is why I go ahead and steam it together for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, I open the pot and I give it a quick stir before I will go in with the other veggies. And I'm going to go ahead and add the yellow, the red and the green pepper and some onion and some tomato as well. I add in my chili pepper, which I just put the chili pepper in the blender and blend it roughly. Go ahead and add any hot spices of your choice and I go in with my seasoning. I'm making use of curry, thyme, garlic powder, a little bit of ginger, some salt to taste and some seasoning cube. I go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. As usual, feel free to add any spices of your choice. I cover the pan and allow this to steam together for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. 5 minutes later, I come back, I open the pot and I give it a quick stir. And you guys, this looks so beautiful. It smells amazing and it tasted absolutely delicious. And I will go in with my shredded cabbage. If you don't want cabbage, you can replace with spinach or green or kale. Just feel free to add any green leafy vegetable of your choice. I cover the pan again and allow to steam together for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat and I came back and give it a good stir. Once I stir everything together nicely, I just keep it open and allow to steam together for another 30 seconds. And this is testing it for you guys. And you guys, it tasted absolutely delicious. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. You can pair this cabbage sauce with rice, with spaghetti. Let me know other things that you can pair with it. I pair mine with rice and it's absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.